Hello my dear student, hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home. This is my next video for 10th class for your revision. What you have to do, you have to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for further notification. This is your question of chapter electricity. So let's start. The question is, draw a circuit diagram. Means you have to draw a circuit diagram consisting of a battery of 4 cells. 4 cells are there. Means the 4 cells of, and what is the potential of given? Each of 2 volt. A 2 ohm resistor, 4 ohm resistor, 6 ohm resistor is given. A plug key is also given and an ammeter is also given. All are connected in series. All are connected in series. Also connect a voltmeter across 6 ohm resistor. Also find out the current flowing in the circuit and the voltmeter reading, that is the potential difference across 6 ohm resistor. Read the question. As you can see that what you are watching, 4 cells, 1 2 3 4 cells are there. We have connected them. Ammeter also connected. 2 ohm, 4 ohm and 6 ohm connected in series. Voltmeter is connected across 6 ohm, and what is also we have to connect it in here? We have to connect a plug key also here. So in this way you have to make a circuit diagram according to the given. So this is the one portion of the question. Now we will find out the solution, that is what is the ammeter reading. What is the meaning of ammeter reading? Total current reading, because as you are watching it is connected after combination, and in series current remains the same throughout the circuit. And the second portion is find out the potential across 6 ohm resistor only, not the total potential. They are asking across 6 ohm. So let's do the solution now. Now the solution. See this, what is the total potential? How many cells are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cells are given, and what is the potential of each? 2 volt. So when you will multiply, what you will get? Total potential is 8 volt. What is the total resistance? You will add the formula. Series RS is R1, R2, R3, 2, 4, 6, 12 ohm you will get. Now by Ohm's law, total potential is given, total resistance you have calculated. So you will substitute the value and you will find out this ammeter reading. That would come 2 by 3 ampere when will you solve it. That is 0.6 ampere. You can calculate. Now the next portion is potential across. As you know that in series combination, across each resistor potential changes. So potential difference across 6 ohm is V3 is IR3. If we will consider V1, V2, V3. So it is V3. So IR3, we have calculated 2 by 3 and we will put the resistance value, that is 6 ohm. 2 by 3 into 6 you will get a 4 volt. Means the total potential is 8 volt. Across 6 ohm is only 4 volt. Similarly you can calculate the potential across, like if it is not given in the question, I am just telling you, across 2 ohm. So what you will do? V1 is equal to IR1. So I value is 2 by 3 into 2 and you will get your answer. Similarly potential across 4 ohm also you can calculate. So in this way you have to practice for your question. Now let's do another question. Okay, now let's do next question. How many 440 ohm resistors in parallel are required to carry 5 ampere in a 220 volt line? So number of resistors you have to calculate connected in parallel. So value of each resistor is given 440 ohms. Total current they withdraw when they are connected in parallel 5 ampere. Total potential difference is 220 volt. So we know that when n resistors are combined in parallel, so we use the formula 1 by Rp is 1 by R plus 1 by R into n resistors. So 1 by Rp is n by R. So when we will calculate Rp, it becomes R by n. We know that total potential is total current into total resistance. So we have substituted this value here. And V is equal to I into R by N. From here cross multiply and you will get N is equal to R into I by V. Value of each resistor is 440. Current is 5 ampere and potential is 220. So when you will solve, you will get your answer is 10. Means you need 10 resistors, each of 440 ohm. When you will connect them in parallel, they will withdraw 5 ampere current when connected to 220 volt line. So related to these numericals, if you are having any query on Saturday class, you can ask. Thank you and take care.